Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Shein. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Shein app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and tap the search bar. Here, type Shein and search. Now tap Install. Once the app is installed, open it. And that's how you download Shein app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.